All right, friends, we are back and we are in a brand new month. It's our last month that we'll be together in pre-K because you all are doing so great and getting kindergarten ready, and you are moving on up to kindergarten for next school year. So we are in the month of May. May is when all the beautiful flowers start to bloom, the butterflies come out, the birds are chirping, it gets warmer outside. Some of us may decide to go swimming in the really cold water. We can put on our shorts, we can wear our flip-flops, and this, my friends, is close to summer, and I love it. Okay, now in May, we will have a new pattern. So we're going to count the days in May first, and then we're going to check out the pattern and see what pattern we have. All right, let's count it. Everybody take a deep breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. Good job, friends. Okay, so if you noticed that we have a little bug, and the bug is going to be our A for our pattern. And then the other thing you see is the watermelon, and that will be B. So let's check and see what we have. We have bug, bug, watermelon, watermelon, bug, bug, watermelon, watermelon. So what do you think our pattern is? I'm going to sit here and see if I can hear you say it out loud. Yes, you're right. A, B, B. 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 A. And if we had another day, what would it be? B. Good job. And B is the watermelon. Perfect. Okay. We're just going to talk about it because it's up here, but we have 7 days in the week. The first day of the week is Sunday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. All right, good job. So that is our month of May. We have a new song for May. It's right here. It says, I'm going to sing it and then you sing it with me. Green grass growing, May flowers bloom, May flowers bloom. Farmers planting gardens, lawn mowers zoom, because this is the time of the year where we have to cut our lawns again. And that's my favorite time of the year. You know summer's my favorite time of the year. We're almost there. All right, I hope all of you are still checking the weather, and I've heard from a few parents that some of you have weather friends at your house and that you're still checking the weather and you're checking your calendar, and I am so proud about that. But we're going to check the weather right now, and then we're going to talk about that. Let's check the weather, check the weather, check the weather today. It is sunny and it is warm on all of these beautiful May days. We're going to wish away all that rain because the rain is too much. And let me tell you a story while we're going over here to fix our weather. Do you know what happened last night? There was a storm that came through last night, a big storm. And my dog, yes, you're right, I can hear you all from here. My dog doesn't like storms, and y'all all know where she goes. She has to get up on my bed, and then she crawls up onto my head, and I cannot get her off. It lasted for a long time, and I did not sleep well last night. So I am going to wish all of those storms away because we are in May now. We're going to pray that every day is a beautiful sunny day so we can go outside and play with our brothers and sisters or with our parents We need to get outside some, friends. All right, we are still in the season of spring. We're getting real close to summer, but we are still in the season of spring, and we just figured out that the weather is warm and sunny. And we can see on our picture for spring, you see all the beautiful flowers blooming, especially now that it's May. The grass is green, butterflies are flying, and the birds are chirping. And you can see the trees are getting leaves, but they're not full of leaves yet. All right, after spring, what season do we have? Yes, summer. Summer is the next season. And you can see in the summer it gets so hot that even the little squirrels needed to run through the sprinkler. And the beautiful flowers were blooming. Still, the sun was hot and bright, and it was so sunny that the bird had to put on his shades, his sunglasses, because you can't see if you don't have sunglasses on in the summer. Now, favorite thing about summer, you can wear your bathing suit a lot. You can go run through the sprinkler. You can do all kinds of stuff in your bathing suit. Best time of the year. All right, after summer, what season's after summer? Yes, fall. What happens in the fall, friends? It starts to get cooler outside, and all the trees, the leaves on the trees start turning colors, and they turn orange and yellow and purple and red and brown. And there's still some green in there, and all the leaves fall off. And it's also a time where we have pumpkins, and we know that in the fall we have Halloween and Thanksgiving. They're both in the fall, and we love to carve out our pumpkins around Halloween. All right, the season after fall is winter. Good job, friends. Winter. We did not have a good winter like this year. We're going to pray about it for next year. We're going to pray for some more snow because we didn't get much. But during the winter, it snows a lot of times. It gets freezing cold. You have to wear your toboggans and your scarves and your mittens. And if we get real lucky next year, we will get to do some snowballs and throw them at each other. All right, so that's our 4 seasons: spring, summer, fall, winter. All right, let's do our dance real fast.
Did you know that there are 4 seasons in every year? What's your favorite season?
If you know all the seasons, clap your hands. If you know all the seasons, clap your hands. If you know all the seasons, you've got 4 terrific reasons to shout out the name of the seasons. Clap your hands.
If you really love the winter, go like this. If you really love the winter, go like this. Because winter is the season when your nose is always freezing and you're shivering. Season, go like this.
In the spring you run and play and shout hooray, hooray! In the spring you run and play and shout hooray! In the spring the grass is growing and the gentle breeze is blowing and the warmer sun is glowing. Woo! All right, free dance, friends. I'm gonna spin. I'm gonna touch my feet. I'm gonna close my eyes. Good job. I'm loving the dancing. If you really love the summer, stamp your feet. My favorite. If you really love the summer, stamp your feet. In the summer you can play and swim and count the fish all day. In summer, please don't go away. Stamp your feet. If you really love the fall, slap your knees. If you really love the fall, slap your knees. When it's beginning to get cold and the leaves turn red and gold, then it's back to school you go. Slap your knees. Woo! And if you heard in that song, there is another word for fall, and it is autumn. Good job, but we like to call it fall.